TreeMap chart is one of the types of chart in which large numbers and data are displayed with large squares and small numbers and data are displayed with small squares. This chart is also an interesting chart, but it's relatively less useful. Usually, this chart is used to display data that has a classification mode, but a special type of it is a chart in the form of small and large squares that expresses the importance of different data. For example, in a stock market analysis, a square chart is usually used to display the effect of different symbols on the total index graphically. The color of the squares in the TreeMap chart is varied. For example, you can consider red for negative and harmful data and green for positive and helpful data. This chart makes it easy to identify data that is different from most other data. For example, when a large square is seen in the stock market statistics, it means that the symbol has had a large negative effect on the market. Well, my friends, now to draw the TreeMap chart, we first select the data table. Then, from the Insert tab in the Chart section, we select the TreeMap chart. As you can see, the chart is drawn for us. We can edit its colors and description. Well, in this diagram, 3 categories of clothing with 3 different colors are displayed. And each type of clothing has a large or small square according to the amount of sales. To change the color of the chart, the best and fastest way is to click on the chart and then select one of the options in the Chart Styles section from the Chart Design tab. Or, my friends, we can double-click on the chart and use various settings from the Format Chart area in the chart.